Curved stair lifts, an overview. If you are looking to purchase a stair lift and are worried about getting one to fit because you have a curved, odd-shaped staircase or multiple landings, don't be. Curved stair lifts are just what you need. No matter what the configuration or layout of your staircase, stair lifts can be tailor-made to the size and shape of virtually any staircase, easily coping with bends, straights, and landings. But of course, this extra flexibility comes at a price. Generally speaking, these types of stair lifts are more expensive than their straight counterparts. Depending upon the configuration of your staircase, the price will be based upon several factors: the number of bends, the angle of the bends, the length of the actual staircase, cost of labor, etc. Another design plus with curved stair lifts is their ability to be installed on either the inside or the outside path of your stairs. Basically, this means the stair lift can run along either side of your stairs, and the profile of your stairs will ascertain which would be the most suitable option for you. Although there is a buoyant market for second-hand and used straight stair lifts, there is little market for curved stair lifts. And as such, they have no real resale value, because they are custom-made to fit individual staircases. They are not suitable for installing in other properties. In view of this, if you find that after a few years you have to move out of your home, unless you have an identical staircase, it is best to leave your stair lift in situ. Again, because they are individually made, be prepared to pay your supplier a substantial deposit when ordering a curved stair lift. This practice does not generally take place with a normal, straight stair lifts, but the one you are ordering will only fit in your house, and if you pull out of the deal, the supplier will not be able to resell it. If you are considering having a stair lift in your home, the website below contains free information and impartial advice on this topic. These are, of course, just a couple of minor considerations you should bear in mind when deciding to buy a curved stair lift. You may decide that the advantages of being able to access all the floors your existing home far outweigh these points, especially when compared to the stress and expense of converting your house or moving to a single-story residence.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.